Hello scale modelers, welcome to the 6th and final episode of our 1/72 scale MiG-21 build. In this video I am going to put the final details and finish the model. First I installed the nose cone using Mr. Cement Deluxe. This is slower setting glue, so it gave me more time to position the part. Next, I created the seals on the canopy. I did this by painting a piece of clear decal paper and then cutting it on tiny strips. I used liberal amount of Mr. Mark Setter so I can manipulate the decals in place. When I was happy with the position, I applied decal softening solution. After the seals were done, it was just a matter of putting everything together using CA glue, Mr. Cement S or PVA glue. And here is a top tip. If your CA glue pulls too much, all you need to do is touch it with the edge of a paper towel while the glue is still wet. The paper towel will absorb the excess glue. And this concludes the series. Hit the subscribe button and join the notification squad by clicking the bell icon, so you don't miss the bonus video on how to make a honeycomb display base. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy modeling!